Hey guys, Rajiv here from EzMeck. This video is about cleaning and lubing the drive chain of any motorcycle. So in this rainy season, you might be facing some issues with rusting of your chain. So we'll make this like new one, as you can see right here. So give me some time and I'll show you how you can resurrect the drive chain of your motorcycle like new one, which will not only reduce the chain noise but also will make driving a pleasure. For that you need to remove the front sprocket cover, and as you can see the inside is pretty bad. So we'll use a can, fill it with kerosene and spray it along the chain and wherever we see dirt accumulated. Now we'll use a screwdriver. A chain cleaner brush is also comes handy, and we'll remove all the deposition from the chain and inside the front sprocket. Now if you have a jet sprayer, there is nothing like it. Just spray it along the chain. Remember, do not use it at full pressure because it may damage the o-ring, or water may seep through the o-ring, damaging the inside rivet grease, so will spoil the whole idea. So just spray it from a distance and do not spray directly over the o-rings. And this is a really good time to clean the front sprocket cover also. Mine might look like new because I've just cleaned, but this might not be a case for most of you. Now take a clean cloth and wipe out all the water from the chain. Now you can use either a 90W or 140W gear oil or a chain lube spray. For the sake of this video, to keep the cost minimal, I'll use gear oil. Now I'll take some drop of gear oil over a small piece of rag and I'll coat the chain with it. Remember, the whole idea of lubing the chain is to protect it from rust and reduce the noise, because this is a maintenance free chain and the rivets are already greased from inside. So there you have it, a clean and absolutely fine conditioned chain back in business. If you liked it and learned something from it, do subscribe and follow for more such videos. This is Rajiv from EzMeck signing out. Peace.